Next one, Ansman.
Jesus, please! High school, me used to have a friend named Ansman. Your head have to be extra large. What I mean, big. It have to be big and you're extra skinny. Like, you know, go together. It just don't go together.
The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody want me love. Push me another time, never sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you could have lost in the blood.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
Don't know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
We're here for a good time.
And a long time.
Yeah, comment down below if you're notification gang, notification squad right now, notification. Oh,
I was gonna do it, but I'm like, nah.
yeah,
Not this time.
yeah. Please don't.
They're not ready for it.
Yeah.
Not
Nobody
ready for it, guys.
Today's special video we got for you today is called
Funny Jamaican Nicknames.
Yes. We saw this idea on Instagram. Dancehall Shade Room posted and I was like, yo, we have to do it. This
It's
shit's
so
funny.
funny.
Like
it's
I'm
so
dying.
true.
Because so much of the names we saw is like, damn, like everybody had the same nickname.
Or it's like so descriptive to the point that
like you understand it, yeah, like yeah, it's too funny. Comment down below before we get started the nicknames right now that somebody called you or you called somebody. What
or the
funny
funniest
ones,
one you ever heard.
Comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Boom.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So the first one we have is Peas Head. That is so funny. That's like self-explanatory. Your head shaped like a piece. You know, you ever see somebody with a and it's so funny because people really probably answer to Peas Head.
Yo, because I get it so like you get it so often you just have to deal with it. Like,
You just accept it.
yeah, you just have to accept it.
You're just a Peas Head.
Yeah. You know, I'm saying like that to the Danielle.
Alright, next one. This one's common. Bigs.
Bigs.
You know why?
Yeah, if you're overweight.
Larger
you know
than life.
Yeah. Oh god. Yeah. But you know, if you're overweight, you know you're automatically called Bigs. Yo, Bigs!
Next one we have is Tall Man.
Jesus.
That's self-explanatory.
Tall man.
I can't tell how many people I knew that were called Tall Man.
For real. Yo, check Tall Man down the road there. Be a Tall Man. Everywhere you go, Tall Man.
Next one is Muma.
Muma.
Any older lady, like, you know, it could be your mother, your grandma,
Even
anybody.
yeah, like
mommy.
Even if you're not like related to the person, them call them Muma. You know, like Muma.
I guess it's respectable, like.
Or
You know,
even like mommy, like them will say mommy, but it's even a nickname if you know what I mean.
yeah, it's a nickname.
Because you know, let me tell you something. To believe it or not, Jamaicans are very polite.
Yeah.
Even in Jamaica, we are so polite. When we come to America, we are polite. But you see them people out here, them not have no manners. I mean, have to get that off my chest.
It's true. We really do have manners. We walk in, we say good morning.
Yeah.
All those little things that you don't realize until you leave Jamaica.
Yes.
And then you realize how much people don't have manners.
No have manners. It's very embarrassing.
Embarrassing. Pops.
Pops, Jesus Christ. Yo, man, check Pops. Yo, y'all link Pops? Cheese and peas.
So same idea. Older.
Or even your father,
your
yeah.
father, your grandfather, anybody.
My grandfather means.
Your uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle.
No, I don't think.
I don't think uncle.
No.
It's an older man.
Yeah, it's either your older father or your grandfather. Older father. Did I really say older
it
father?
doesn't have to be relative. It can just be
Older man.
This one is too funny. Froggy.
No. If you name Froggy, no man, just
That's not a good thing.
delete yourself. Froggy.
Bones.
That means you're really skinny. Skinny to them see a bone. them see a bone, them actually see a bone.
That's funny, bones.
Bones. Like even if you cut yourself, you see a bone. Bones. Yo, you so skinny. Oh my
yes,
god.
oh my god, you need to see Chaddy was
I was so skinny, but me look skinny now, but when I mean like skinny.
with a big head.
With a what? Wait, hold on. I mean, I almost agree with you.
Yeah, I agree.
No, I did not. No, I did not have a big head.
A big helmet head with the helmet haircut.
Listen, I used to have a haircut one way. My father used to put a pat for my head and I used to cut around the edges so it just level out. God no, me not lie to you. That's all. He used to take a scissors and cut with the pat around my head. It's no exaggerating right now.
It's true.
It's true, man. I tell you the truth. Times were hard.
No, it wasn't.
No, it just...
Your hair was just hard to cut.
Yeah, it's hard to cut.
Stammer.
So I'm good on the road. But you know, honestly, when I was in Jamaica, when living in Jamaica and growing up, period, I didn't know how much Stammer people in there. So probably one or two.
Yeah, me too.
But,
one or two. One.
But yo, when I mean like, them probably they have the most thick skin because them Jamaican people are just make fun of you for no reason.
You really do have to have thick skin.
Like, oh my god, you have to have thick skin because Stammer, oh my god, when you name Stammer, you know. You're gonna have it hard for you.
Next one, Beanie Bird. That was me.
Yeah, you sound like a Beanie Bird.
I was Beanie Bird.
Beanie Bird.
My uncle used to call me that. Beanie Bird. What else he used to call me? Next one, Smiley. That was my nickname in
Danielle can smile for anything, you know.
That was my nickname in prep school.
Jeez and peas, Danielle can smile for everything. You don't know her, she does a smile to you. Like, it does weird. Everything will make you laugh and smile.
Whatever.
You're giddy.
Next one, Live a Lip.
Hey, Jamaican people are so cool sometimes. God, no. How can you name Live a Lip?
That's when you look big.
Live a Lip. Think about the
I think
people.
I knew one person named Live a Lip with a nickname.
Live a Lip.
Live a Lip.
If you don't know, my nickname, let's put a little pause here. My nickname was Subby.
Sobby.
Subby. Subby.
That's not even a real nickname.
You know why?
That's last name.
That's because my last name was so long, everybody would say, yo, Subby! That was it. And I used to play cricket, so like, yo, I Subby, I go back now, you know. Oi, pass. Next. This one
you hear often. Slimmers.
Slimmers. Yeah, that's basically every slim girl down in Jamaica.
Every slim girl.
Come here, Slimmers. Yeah, Slimmy.
This one too. Browning.
Yeah, man.
Psst, Browning.
Why, Jamaica, man, we just...
I used to get that too.
Abby. How much man do?
Next one.
You wait till this video done.
Next one, Blacks.
Oh my god, that goes with Midnight. Yo, I had two friends down in Jamaica. Yo, me tell us to them. Midnight, where the dark? Sometimes when it's dark, you know, man, light gone. And then when you only see them teeth alone, you know. Yo, it's only them teeth and eyes, you know. Midnight.
It's so funny because you know those jokes here would be probably touchy, but
yeah,
in Jamaica those things.
I don't know. Even Jamaica, you see, people in Jamaica grow up different because them think that no bother people. Like nah.
Ready? Reds.
Me never get called reds.
No, but that's like you're not brown, but you're more like I don't know.
Yeah.
It's a description of the color of your skin.
Yeah.
Reds. I knew
get,
one person named Reds.
Yeah, they used to call me, yo, Indian. You see, hate it. That I don't want me hate.
The next, well, from that one, Miss Chin.
Oh God.
Any Oriental, Chinese, Asian, anybody.
Miss Chin.
Like that. Have to be Miss Chin. And I know that's one thing they really dislike.
They hate
them Miss Chin. Because some of them not Chinese, some of them Asian, some of them, I don't know.
Like they're all over the world, so it's like basically
and you all call
you classify them as Miss Chin. So yo, Miss Chin, how much for the flower? Miss Chin, how much for the 2 can I meet them?
Next one, Ansman.
Jesus, please! High school, me used to have a friend named Ansman. Your head have to be extra large. I mean big. It have to be big and you're extra skinny. Like it don't go together. It just don't go together. Huntsman. Yo, Huntsman. Yeah.
And last but not least, Wani. Any one hand, one foot, one teeth, anything but as long as you have only one or something.
Even like one eye, yeah.
One eye, Wani.
Yeah, like them will call it one. Oh my God, Jamaica people. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below your favorite nickname, which nickname I used to call you right now. Comment down below in the sections.
And
smash
notification squad.
Smash the like button. Subscribe if you want to be. Subscribe if you want to be a part of the family. Down below, remember your nickname. Your nickname. And now it's time for notification squad.
First notification shout out goes to Kristen Tomlinson.
Kristen Tomlinson, pick up your damn self. You go right here.
Next notification shout out goes to Sharika Facey.
Sharika Facey, pick up your damn self. You're going right over Danielle's head top.
And last but not least, Unruly Ver.
Unruly Ver, pick up your damn self. Notification. Oh, if you want to be a part of notification squad, what you have to do, Danny?
Like, comment,
smash
hit the bell.
Yes, but you have to hit subscribe first before you
subscribe and then hit the bell.
Yeah, and then comment down below, say you subscribe or you just say notification. Oh, notification gang, notification unruly, notification school cash, notification school book, notification Stoney, notification
done.
Notification
and we're out.
The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody who me love. Push me another time, never sing another rhyme, cut me now, you could have not seen a blood.